Welcome back to the Catholic Accent. I'm John Zilka. Light Up Night is an exciting tradition at Mother of Sorrows Parish in Murraysville. It started as an event for Catholic school families, but was then expanded to include the entire parish community.
Light Up Night is an exciting tradition here at Mother of Sorrows Parish. It started in our school as an event for school families, but after it was established for a couple of years, Monsignor Gaston, who was the pastor here at Mother of Sorrows at the time, saw that it would be a good idea to invite the entire parish to participate in the Light Up Night.
I've been at Moss for like 7 years now, so this is probably our 8th Light Up Night.
Light Up Night is a special time for our church community, our community in general, and for Mother of Sorrows School. And it's a great night full of joy for the Advent season, and it's so nice to see the families come together and the school's decorated so beautifully.
You get to walk around with your friends and your family, and we hang a lot of our Christmas artwork out in the halls. There's a living nativity where actual students dress up as angels, shepherds, Mary, Joseph, or baby Jesus.
And there's a lot of unity.
It has now become a large celebration by the community of Mother of Sorrows and the greater Murraysville community to be able to come together, prepare our hearts for the coming of Christ, and just join together in fellowship. That's one of the reasons why we begin this Light Up Night, we say, begins with the Mass at 4:30 and celebrating as a community.
Our Mass is simply the Mass for the second Sunday of Advent, and it's always been my belief that our culture kind of has hijacked Advent, and already we're advertising Christmas. So we really celebrate Advent when we're in the liturgy. We crafted a new Advent wreath last year that is suspended from the ceiling, and it's kind of the focal point of our decorations in the church, the environment and art, as we get ready to celebrate the season. And the challenge for us, especially in these years of Eucharistic revival, is to become a Eucharistic community whereby we bring the presence of Christ to others in all we say and do, so that our words are Eucharistic. We build up the community of Christ. Our actions are Eucharistic. We reach out and care for our brothers and sisters.
You can join in the celebration at Mother of Sorrows in Murraysville this year on December 2nd.